Good morning. My name is Stephanie McBride. I'm the owner of Grounding Gear. This morning I just wanted to do a little demonstration of lymph movement. So we always work proximal to distal. So we're going to start just below that notch of the sternum, and we're going to start the cisternic chyli. So we're just going to do a little massage right here, just below the notch. And it's about 5 grams of pressure, so not much at all. And then we're going to go to our hip creases because we have a lot of lymph nodes in the hip creases. And we're just going to be massaging in this area. And then we're going to be swiping from our belly button down to our hip creases on one side and then the other. And this hand movement can be a little firm, not hard, but firm. And then we go to the tops of our knees, more lymph nodes, of course. And just a little massage there. And behind our knees. And swipe towards our hip creases, towards those lymph nodes. All the way down to our feet. And next we're going to do our axilla area, armpit. So it's like moving raspberries in a bowl of water without damaging the raspberries. So it's a full hand contact, and you're just massaging that area, moving in. Again, 5 grams of pressure, the weight of a nickel. And then we go to our our elbow crease, and we're going to massage that area very lightly. And we're going to work proximal to distal again. So we're starting at our shoulder and then working our way down to our hand and moving that lymph up. And then we do the opposite side. And move that lymph up. Oh, I almost forgot. Elbow crease. Relax your arm on your leg. Massage that elbow. Again, light pressure, and swipe up. All right. Now we're going to go just below the collarbone to start with. And we can even do a little lighter pressure here. And work our way outward. And then again, just above the collarbone. So it's kind of like you're dipping your fingers like this, and a massage like that. Just a little massage here. And I always like to think of like opening the gates. So we want to open the gates and let the flow, let the lymph flow start here before we start with our neck. It's like we don't want to have a traffic jam with the lymph fluid. So we start here first, and then we work our way up. So we start with a light swiping along the carotid arteries, all the way back behind our ears. And behind our ears, you can do a little circular motion behind the ears. Again, more lymph nodes there. We have lymph nodes all over our body, but we're hitting the highlights right now. So they call this the water wheel. So we are just opening those lymph nodes, getting things moving, stimulated. And remember, it's great for our skin. You can actually feel, you do this a few times and you'll notice, oh, my skin feels a lot softer. So the lymph affects everything, like I said before. So it's our skin, it's moving the pathogens in the body, getting rid of the viruses, getting things moving, getting the nutrients to where they need to go. So next we're going to go to underneath our chin, and we're swiping down lightly. And now the sides of our cheeks. And we're working back towards our ears. I do pretty long swipes with my whole finger and palm. All the way back towards my ear, and then upper lip. And then we're going to tap our nose, the tip of our nose. We don't want to neglect anything, right? Our skin is our largest organ, and that's one we need to take care of as well. And now I like to do little lightweight circles along each sides of my nose. And I do the circles clockwise. And again, really light pressure all the way up to the bridge. And then work your way back down. And I might do this 3 or 4 times. It's always interesting when I feel my nose, you can tell if you're holding lymph fluid in your face, because if you feel your nose, sometimes you might feel a little ridge or something along the edge, and it's like, huh, there's swelling there. So that's like your nose is a good indicator of how much lymph you're holding in your face. So after you do this treatment, you can actually feel it again, and you're like, wow, that ridge went down some. So it's kind of fascinating that just moving the lymph would have such an effect. So then we swipe down from the top of our nose all the way down back towards our ears again. And then we start the sides by our temples, go down, and then we do forehead, eyebrows, all the way down. And we can even do the tops of our head too. We have lymph nodes or lymph vessels up here. And then back down the carotid arteries. Yeah, so that's it. So it's pretty quick, easy, good for your body. So have a great day and take care.